press powder. Literally $1. $1. It's Roy here, back with another video, and today I did my flawless affordable face base for you guys. So if you like this look, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. I keep it affordable for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna start by doing is misting my face. So you want to start with a clean base, and it's all about skincare here. So make sure you wash your face, moisturize your face, have a good skincare routine before you start makeup, because that my friend is gonna help you start off with a great base to your makeup. We're just gonna have a nice clean canvas, smooth moisturized base. So the next thing I'm gonna do is spray my face with this e.l.f. mist set. Just to bring back some hydration. Next, I'm going to use I love this stuff. This is the She Glam Press Refresh Setting Spray. Oh, and it's coconut scented, and it just smells so good. And the mist is, I'm a dry skin girly, so hydrating my face is key to getting like that flawless base for me, because I don't want to look patchy. So a nice base is a good base. I'm going to use the She Glam Good Grip primer, and it's just the dupe of, if you didn't hear about anything about Good Grip, the e.l.f. primer. I had that one too, but I ran out of that one. But the e.l.f. like green primer, those are good primers to use. I'm just gonna rub that in. And what you wanna do is make sure all these layers of like creams and product dry first before you go on to the next step, because that's gonna help nothing be too patchy, nothing crumbling. I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit. This is also by She Glam, and this was like $6, I believe. Very affordable. Very, 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 very sticky. Alright, so now I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to go on into foundations. So while I let that dry, I'm gonna give you a few options of good foundations that I like. So I like the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is a good one. I got the matte and poreless one. They also have, I think they also have like a dewy one as well. But the Maybelline Fit Me ones is good. Also the L'Oreal True Match foundations, those are good foundations to use. I like the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating CC Cream. Bomb, 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 bomb. And then I just recently picked up the She Glam foundation as well, and this was like only $9. Like, all of these are so super, super, super affordable. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. CC cream. And I'm gonna use some of the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna dot that onto my face as well. And this one is a little bit darker. This is like a little bit darker, but these two work well together because one is lighter, one darker, and this makes like my perfect shade match. And plus it's getting a little sunny out here, so it's gonna make me look a little bit tan. And what I do here is pat into my face. I really don't rub, because it's just gonna, rubbing is just gonna help take it off the sponge. Well, take it off your face into the sponge. So what I do is tap it in. Tap, tap, tap in. I love the Maybelline. I like forgot how much I love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is so nice. It's so nice on the skin. It's so nice on the skin. And you want to make sure you blend it down the neck. Already looking skin-like and kind of a little dewy. Those two combinations together is really good. But like, this is how this looks. Hey. Next, I'm going to go into concealers. And I do like the ColourPop concealer. This one's the hydrating one, the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. And this one is the e.l.f. 16 Wear Camo Concealer. These two, match made in heaven. I like to mix and match like shades to get my perfect shade. But this one is more yellow, as you can tell, and this one is more neutral. But these two together, bomb. So what I like to do is put a little bit right here, a little bit right here. And that was the e.l.f. one. I used the e.l.f. one first. And then I'm gonna use the ColourPop one. And then I'm gonna just put some right here. Just like that. And again, tap, tap, tap in. No. Again, I like a beauty blender because it gets the job done. And what I do is tap, tap, tap in. And then I like to like drag it underneath my lip area. Looks. Now I'm gonna take some, like literally this LA Color, what is this? Prowse powder. Literally $1. $1. And then it's gonna take some of that and just put that underneath my eye. Just to set that concealer. Hola, babes. So since I look like this, I'm going to go into, where is it? So the next thing I'm going to do is contour my face, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. So the next thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. I was going to say stick, but beauty wand. And just put that over my face. And this is like a liquid product. And it's glowy. And it look good. So I'm just gonna put that here.
teacher said today's my homework is to go outside.
Now I'm just gonna, I know I look crazy right now. But we're gonna blend it out. And this, let me tell you, this right here look crazy, but it blends out so beautifully. So the next thing I'm gonna use, again, only $8. Next thing I'm gonna use is my matte bronzer, and this is what this looks like. Again, from the dollar store. This is what this looks like. And since it's so light, I'm gonna use this as like an all over face powder type of thing. It's like a big fluffy brush. You know what I forgot to do? Contour on my nose. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna take that same wand and do a couple dots. Then take my concealer. So next I'm gonna do blush, and I'm gonna use the She Glam and also the e.l.f. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liquid blush in the shade, what shade is this? Suave Mauve. And then I'm gonna use the She Glam, and this one is in the shade Rose Ritual, and I'm just gonna put those two on my cheeks. So I'm gonna start with the lighter one first. I don't know why I put that on my nose like that. And then I'm gonna blend that out. Yeah, I love that. This blush is really good, and this was like only $3. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And next I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. But everything I do is in like dabbing motions. I really don't swipe because you're gonna swipe off the foundation, the makeup. So dabbing motions is always key. Final step I will do is setting spray to bring back some life into it, because with those powders. This is the final face-based look. It's looking flawless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bing!